Hey, yo. Oke, halo guys. Selamat datang di channel YouTube gua. Gua nggak tahu ini YouTube mau dikasih nama apa jujur. Oke, so ini video pertama gua. Di sini gua bakalan mainin game open world dari Ubisoft yaitu Watch Dogs Legion ya, guys. Oke, kita coba main-main dulu. Sebenarnya ini game udah lama sih. Tahun 2020 apa ya? Dan ini gue juga udah tamat. Tapi gue udah lama juga sih nggak mainin ini. Jadi ya di video pertama ini gue coba main lagi buat seru-seruan aja karena ya capek guys. Kerjaan banyak.
It's payback time.
Game ini tuh sebenarnya menarik ya. Cuman nggak tahu ya untuk review saat ini tuh masih kurang bagus gitu. Menariknya di sini kita nggak punya karakter utama guys. Kita bisa pakai semua NPC yang ada di sini ya. Kita bisa rekrut mereka buat jadi tim DedSec itu sendiri ya. Dan contohnya ini gue pakai manusia silver. Oke, ini lumayan patah-patah guys, sorry. Oke, dan kalian bisa ngerekrut semua NPC yang di sini ya. Contoh, nah ini. Cuman kita bisa lihat di bawah tombol Q itu ada dislike. Kayaknya kalau dislike kita harus ada beberapa step gitu. Jadi nggak segampang itu juga buat ngerekrut kalau misalkan eh, ada dislike-nya ya guys. Oke, dan salah satu operation yang gue suka yaitu manusia silver ini karena dia bisa ngasilin duit coy. Nah, kita coba ngamen ya di lampu merah sini. Nah, kita bisa dapetin duit cuy. Nah, ini lumayan ya. Minta uang bang. Oke, kita coba keliling-keliling dulu guys. Gue juga lumayan kangen sama London ini dan katanya sih ya ini mirip banget sama London yang aslinya ya. Gue belum pernah ke sana jujur jadi nggak tahu guys.
You're broke! You're fucking poor!
Hujan ya. Oke, dan kalian di sini bisa em, hacking beberapa transportasi ya. Nggak beberapa sih, semuanya deh. Oh, ya, bisa nggak ya? Oh, bisa bisa. Nah, semuanya guys. Jadi kalian bisa maju mundurin kayak gini. Belok kanan. Nah, kayak gitu. Ya ini lumayan menarik sih karena buat kalau misalkan kalian pengen main GTA tapi bisa hacking juga ini salah satu game yang cocok lah. Nggak iseng doang guys. Oke, di sini gue coba buka operatif gue ya, gue punya berapa. Oke, di sini gue ada jadi banyak juga. Nah, di sini tuh ada operatif yang lumayan guys, yang rekomendasi gitu. Contohnya kayak Beekeeper. Nah, ini rekomendasi profesional hitman gitu-gitu. Terus drone expert. Nah, drone expert ini penting banget guys karena drone di sini lumayan ngeselin ya.
What is he doing?
He's beginning to believe.
Jadi kalau misal kita punya operation drone expert ini, kita tuh bisa betray gitu. Bisa betray, bisa hijack gitu kan lumayan ya kalau betray ya kita nggak perlu ngendaliin. Ini lumayan guys buat di early game kalau kalian nemu ya. Dan ini ya ini udah dislike udah kita buang aja. Ini gimana cara buang? Oke, kita coba pakai operation lain. Gue coba pakai keeper kali ya. Gamekeeper tuh dia pengendali lebah ya guys.
Bring it.
Coba gue lupa sih tombolnya apa. This one. Oh, ini udah pakai.
We don't want the police case. Don't answer us. Please, run.
Oke, kita coba. Ini markas Albion ya. Kita coba gangguin mereka pakai lebah ini.
What was that?
Gimana coy cara coy?
Feel the sting.
Oh kayak gitu ya. Jadi mereka disengat coy. Tahu nih. Mapa enggak nyoba doang review. Oke, di sini ada auto drive juga, jadi kalian nggak perlu nyetir guys. Kalau misalkan lagi makan minum ya di perjalanan, jadi dia bisa nyetir sendiri.
Auto drive now disabled.
Oke, ini gue coba keliling dulu sebentar. Oke guys, bentar. Kayaknya kalau misal keliling kita bisa pakai salah satu operation ini ya.
Astaga, lama ini cantik banget.
Namanya gateway driver. Jadi operatif ini tuh bisa minggirin semua kendaraan guys yang kita lewatin ya pakai mobilnya. Jadi kita nggak perlu macet-macet. Coba kita cari dulu. Ini lumayan sempit. Minggir. Oke, ini berlaku ke drone juga ya guys. Jadi si drone juga pada ke disable tuh. Nah ini termasuk kooperatif yang unggul juga karena lumayan guys. Kita kalau misalkan dikejar polisi kita tinggal pakai clear the way, jadi ya lumayan lah bisa lolos. Ya ampun patah-patah ya. Gak jago nyetir guys, sorry. Oh iya, by the way di sini tuh mekanik nyetirnya nggak sesusah di Watch Dogs 1 ya. Soalnya kalau Watch Dogs 1 tuh kayak susah gitu alat cuy. Nggak, itu isu skill issue bang. Iya skill issue sih guys. Ya tergantung lah kenyamanan. Kalau menurut gue ya itu susah guys kalau di Watch Dogs 1 nyetirnya.
Daddy, chill.
Yes, salah gue ya. Gak boleh parkir situ, bang. Oke, biasanya kalau Watchdog tuh kan identik dengan parkour ya guys ya. Dan parkour di sini tuh ya standar lah ya. Nggak sebagus di Watchdog 2. Watchdog 2 tuh parkournya keren cuy. Jadi pakai heal tapi dia bisa lompat-lompat gini coy. Oke, kita coba misi dulu guys. Mungkin ya ini udah tamat sih, tapi kita coba cari. Biasanya ada tuh side mission. Kita balik ke markas dulu. Oke, jadi ini dia markas DedSec.
Hello guys, welcome to my Minecraft Let's Play.
Oh, itu ada mission.
I was having a chat with your mate, Richard Malik. Just a former SIRS agent and a former Albion drone talking shop. Anyway, he pointed me to this audio recording. You should give it a listen. Could be something big.
Let's hear it.
And when you got a moment, give Malik a smack across the chops for me, will you?
What the hell do you mean there's no open investigation? Are you the police or not?
We are. And I mean it exactly the way it sounds.
My friend was a journalist.
Seeing as they've taken 1984 letters a dire warning and more as an instruction book, she may be in trouble.
She needs our help.
Agreed. Let's do it.
I've marked her last known location on your map. You should hurry though. It was dated recently enough that SIRS might not have caught up with her yet.
Oke, kita harus investigate jurnalis yang hilang ya guys. Bentar, gue ganti operation dulu ya. Kayaknya nggak cocok deh pakai ini. Skip. Oke, di sini gue punya Hitman 3 cuy. Kita pakai John Wick ya. Ya nggak mirip banget sih, tapi ya gondrong lah, membrewok.
It's John Wick.
I'm ready to go when you are.
Brilliant.
Auk namanya Auk.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Ada polisinya tadi. Jadi
Find whoever's hacking this vehicle. Drone, initiate search.
wah, ada mobil spy nih. Oke, kita langsung ke tujuan guys. Jauh banget. Gue naik MRT aja deh. Paling deket tuh ya sinilah ya. Oke, kita naik MRT. Lumayan ada fast travel guys. Jadi kalau kalian bosen nyetir, kalian bisa langsung naik kereta ya.
This is where that journalist mysteriously vanished while she was looking into SIRS mysteriously vanishing people.
Seems like a good spot to dig up some info.
I thought we might be able to get ahead of those Stasi wannabes at SIRS, but I'm seeing signs of a struggle. I've tagged a few pieces of evidence that I can analyze more closely if you get me some high-resolution stills.
Di sini ada beberapa drone. Gak kebanyakan juga.
It looks like there's something interesting under that car. Move it so we can have a closer look.
Huh, no one. I'll look this way.
Eits, tidak kena.
Oke, ada spider bot juga nih.
Find that fucker.
Ini kita cuma fotografi doang.
Tire tracks, left relatively recently. 24.9-inch diameter. Common size for a large chassis vehicle like a truck or a van.
Buset. Itu cuma fotografi doang sih tapi. Hey. Lah. Kenapa polisi dia? Set, dalam hati coy di awal.
Nope.
Kurang deket ya? Kurang deket ya. Oke, ini tasnya dia ya. Jauh, kurang jauh. Enggak selfie bang. Harusnya udah ya. Kurang deket. Kurang jauh kah? Kurang deket kah?
Open. Looks like a journalist's. I've added a transcript to your data drive. We know she was here at least.
Thanks a million, Bags.
Man.
Someone spray painted the security cameras.
Damn. Now what?
Oh, calm down. Did you think I had you take all those photos for my invite feed? If you find the CTOS hub, I can cross-reference the stills you took with the security feed and isolate the moments before the journalist was taken. It may contain a clue.
Got it.
Oke, download security footage. Bawah. Cuma masuk. Oke, kita deploy rootkit.
Found it. Here is the image just as the camera was blacked out. Notice the van in the background. The partial license plate number indicates this is a government vehicle.
Oke, apa tuh?
Intriguing.
This confirms the journalist was most likely abducted by SIRS. You know who might know where an SIRS operative would take a questionably legally detained journalist? Another SIRS operative. I've got Malik on the line.
Can we really trust him?
Do you have to? I suppose I might have an agenda. Then again, I might just be bored.
Okay, get on with it.
Look closely at the paint in the security still. It's not commercial. That's Kark paint. Chemical resistant. Military. Do you remember earlier when you saved me from Albion?
Fuck you.
Oh, come on, that was fun. Anyway, I didn't want the day to be a waste, so I installed a worm in their comms equipment that fed me, among other things, data on their supply requisitions. I just gave Bagley access to it.
Looks like Albion just ordered a crate of Kark paint in that color to the Albion Internment Center. Pushing the location now.
Oke, kayaknya kita udah nemuin si jurnalisnya. Coba selamatkan mereka, guys. Oh, tadi udah bawa mobil. Oh enggak ya? Oke, itu di mana? Oh, deket dong.
Three undocumented youths were reported dead.
Oke, di dalam situ ya.
This is the Albion Internment Center. That journalist who was investigating the SIRS illegal kidnapping program should be inside.
Oke, di sini ada apa aja? Oke, tentara doang, nggak ada drone, aman.
Oh my, that's...
Yep. Oh yeah.
Gimana caranya? Coba dipikirkan secara logika, ayo.
Yap.
Searching for whoever's compromised the vehicle. Drone, perform a search. Moving on. Oh, my fucking head! Give up now.
Weh, gelap coy. Buset. Mati konyol gua. Bentar. Bawa pistol aja. Nope. Oke, kita bawa senjata ya. Buset. Waduh, waduh, waduh. Oh, bawa teman guys.
Immobilizing the suspect.
Sounds like gunfire.
Ke bawah. Waduh, ada drone ya.
Spread out. We need to find them. Drone, begin
Right, get
searching
her out.
sequence.
Oke. Gua ambil tag point dulu.
Are you trying to piss me off?
Oke, aman. Lihat, Bu.
I don't see anyone following you.
Thanks for your help.
Oke,
and
Peggy
everything,
udah
but we have to
berhasil
keep this short.
kita selamatin,
If
guys.
I can't get out of this country tonight, I am colossally buggered.
Well, I'm with DedSec. How can we help?
All right then, maybe you can help. You see, SIRS found a legal loophole that's let them arrest you for anything they want. Did your butler's beagle have its hair cut by the same groom?
Just calm down. There's no point, no?
Oke, kita udah selamat di
Once the
jurnalisnya.
journalist makes it to safety, I'll make DedSec resources available to her so she can finish her story.
That's a solid idea, Bags.
Kalau motor nggak bisa ya, nggak bisa auto drive. Oke, apa tuh hijau-hijau? Ya ada operation menarik. Oke, ada anarkis di sini, tapi ya skillnya nggak begitu tuh, nggak begitu ini sih. Gue lebih mengutamakan yang berserker ya guys, karena itu ya lumayan OP sih, karena bisa kalau kita udah ngekill kita bisa regen cuy. Oke, next mission. Oke, di sini ada apa nih? Oke, untuk baju guys, kalian nggak bisa masuk ya. Kalian bisa beli di di luar toko begini guys. Kalian nggak bisa masuk ke dalam. Ya menurut gue sih ini detail yang kurang ya, karena di Watchdog 2 pun kita bisa masuk ke dalam tokonya ya. Sedangkan di sini kita nggak bisa. Oke, tidak ada pressure. Tadi apa yang bergeser? Nah, kayak gini nih guys. Ada skill berserker tuh, defeat enemy to heal. Jadi itu lumayan guys. Kalau misalkan kita lagi baku hantam kayak tadi, kita habis ngekill, kita kena hit misal, nah itu kita bisa regen guys. Garuk-garuk ya mbak. Oke, fokus, kita bakalan ke misi tadi cuy. Oh, oke, 404 kontrak kontrak oke, kontrak.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy. You get your goddamn ugly.
Getting out of here. No, this isn't right.
Oke, motor kita nyangkut guys. Oke, nggak apa-apa, kita cari kendaraan lain. Nuclear engineer.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Apologies.
Oke, kita harus ke atas ya kayaknya. Coba. Ini di atas. Oh iya deh. Oke, gimana gue bisa ke atas? Gue harus pakai cargo drone. Oke, agak susah di sini guys, cargo drone. Jadi kita harus pakai Mbak Mandor ya. Mana Mbak Mandor? Nah, ini dia bisa datengin cargo drone.
Hi, how are you? That's good. Let's go.
On it.
Tadi nggak di sini. Maaf.
Run a search. Make it quick.
Nah, ini dia cargo drone kita. Jadi kita bisa melihat seluruh kota London guys. Ya, lumayan lambat sih gerakannya, tapi ya ini bisa dipakai buat kita jalan-jalan gitu. Steel. Gimana cara kita steel? Pakai drone expert.
Feeling ready to fight?
Let's roll.
Kepencet. Kepencet tembak cuy. Nah, ini dia cuy. Buset. Battle Big Box. Oke, langsung kita rekrut.
Yo, you look like you could play a part in taking back London. Oh, sick. You're with DedSec, right? You gotta help me destroy my pet project. Hold up, what? Look, I'll explain. I used to do research for this pharmaceutical lab. That is until my boss stole my work and sold it to the Albion. Now I hear my work's being used in tests at some military facility. Top secret, you know. That's not right. Can you destroy my data? I'll send you the intel I have. Alright, cool. Yeah, man's got this on lock. Thanks. Do me a solid, and I'll repay you sometime. Alright?
Bagley, help out, bruv. Well, I've got nothing coming up when I noodle evil lab, but fortunately we've been given the name of a high-level Albion employee who should have that information in their personal files. Here's their info.
Back off, mate.
Oke, mantap guys. Ya, lumayan. Kita harus ke sini. Woi, buset. Dia pakai drone expert ya.
Such an idiot! You're a jerk.
Get the fuck out of here.
I don't like where this is going.
Bu, nyangkut bu.
Let me guess.
Turn around and exit the area right now.
Baik pak. Macet.
The Albion employee we're looking for should be around here. There's the Albion employee. I can scrape his optic data for intel.
Data coming your way.
I found where our friend's research is being stored.
Cheers, bruv. I'm on the move.
Oke. Sekarang kita ke enak banget ya drone expert. Oke, kita ke sini. Kita hapus data yang dicuri.
The old man's live on the scene.
Right, our friend's research should be somewhere in this facility. That's the server with our friend's research on it.
Kita harus masuk sini.
What now?
Got an access denied notification.
Wait, that's the problem, right?
You can't be serious.
Look at me doing your job.
Years later.
Well, I can see why Albion wants this drug our friend invented. It makes people more alert, energetic, and aggressive. Basically, they're planning to dope their whole army with super meth. Or rather, they were, before I wiped all their data. I saved a copy for myself, though, for reasons.
Oke, kita berhasil menghapus datanya, guys.
Care of that shit, cars.
Nice fucking work, bruv. I don't know how to repay you.
Tell you what, join DedSec and we'll call it even. Sound good?
Yeah, why not? I'm in.
Oke, kita dapat big box 1 itu, guys.
Oh, sick. Good to have you, blood. DedSec's gonna be unstoppable now.
What the dog doing?
Damn right. Man's ready to tear it up. Fuck yes.
Dulu. Oke, ini lumayan. Oke, kita pakai ini aja.
Oh! My fingers hurt.
Mungkin seperti itu, guys. Gameplay kali ini ya. Sebenarnya banyak sih yang harus direview. Mungkin di video selanjutnya gue bakalan mulai dari awal, guys, gamenya, dan gue bakalan nyalain permadet. Jadi permadet itu kita bisa kalau misalkan operasional kita mati, itu dia bakalan selamanya mati, coy. Jadi ya kita bakalan kehilangan dia selamanya. Sebenarnya gue nggak jago-jago banget main game ini tanpa mati, guys, tapi ya mungkin itu buat challenge juga ya. Oke, mungkin di video selanjutnya kayak gitu gue bakalan main dari awal dan gue pakai mode permadet. Tapi ya nggak tahu kapan, guys, gue bikinnya. Karena ya gue lumayan gak ada waktu, guys. Ya sebenarnya gue main game tuh cuman buat refresh otak aja. Jadi kalau misalnya pusing kerja dan kerja numpuk, gue main bentar gitu buat ya refresh otak gue biar nggak pusing-pusing banget ya. Kalau pusing kita nggak bisa dapetin solusi terbaik. Anjay, kerjaan numpuk ya kerjain, bang, jangan main game. Ya kan nggak main game terus, guys. Habis main game gue kerjain lagi kok, aman.